Alright, now it is going.
Alright, welcome to seasparkles Corner, and continuing our turning into a series of replacing locks. I'm doing the deadbolt off our front door. Alright, that's the little plate that was a bit awkward for you to see. Removed. Now I'm going to start taking the actual lock off.
We're moving that lock to another door.
Got to use my screwdriver. Not getting enough torque. Yeah, there we go. Thing about the old locks, when they age, the screws tend to get kind of old, so you tend to need a little bit more oomph. Loosen them up.
That lock's still good though.
Locks themselves, they stay pretty good, but it's just the screws.
That's going into our kitchen door.
Pardon me?
Because those locks are really, really old.
Okay, that's just weird. Alright.
You gotta take off the side plate. I
Must be integrated into the door, maybe.
think that is.
Then, all right. Let's unbox.
You can leave that on.
Let's unbox our new lock.
For those of you who want to know, this lock was custom made for my door. There's none other like it in the world.
Alright, now that unboxed, let's take a look at it. I'll have to actually try to get that off. Yep. I'll have to actually try to get that off.
Okay, we'll be back with you after he removes that. Speak.
Yeah, I'm right now just looking at everything, figuring everything out. That's the first thing you should do, is figure out, you know, what's what and what's how. That's what I'm doing right now, just spreading off, getting my head around everything that's in here. This comes with pretty strange hardware.
I'm gonna hang up. I'll be back with you after he's got everything working. Okay.
Alright.
Go ahead.
And that goes back.
Talk.
Back. I'm just running off all the instructions. Okay, so that's not supposed to come off. How is it supposed to come off?
I don't think it's supposed to.
It shows the right instructions are coming off.
What does it say? Read it.
Face plate. Back plate. Oh, okay. This is for drive. This for drive installation. We already have the hole. All right. Okay. Well, I guess so.
You gotta read and just not look at the pictures.
Okay. Sorry, people, I'm having a bad sinus day. Okay. Well, the only thing for it is to, I guess, put it in.
Don't you put the other thing through first?
Well, I think I'm doing this right. It seems like it.
David, how's the other thing gonna get through when that's in there?
What other thing?
The stuff that goes through before, that went through and you put that in last.
You mean this?
Yeah. Oh, I guess that's different than the other one.
I might actually get my battery screwdriver.
Putting on a lock, changing a lock, changing a new lock, changing a lock, changing a lock, blue lock. Bump-proof lugs, bump-proof lugs.
Yep.
Bump-proof lug is
There's
going
loads of
in.
videos on YouTube about key bumping, and then you'll be when you see it and you look into it. How cheap those key bumps actually are. You'll be like me. You'll be like, yeah, it's high time I change those locks.
Hey, by accident, David, that new lock matches our other new lock.
All right. Okay. Huh? Oh! Okay. Yes, apparently. Yeah, alright. That's how I get to the screw holes. I picked up like, where's the screw holes? How am I supposed to pop the plate off?
Read the directions, David. I don't think.
Okay. Nope, that's for disassembly. I don't want to take it apart.
Read the directions.
I'm trying to figure out how to hold it to get the plate off.
Read directions. So you don't mess it up.
The tumbler's in here.
Okay.
Okay, so turn it that way, then I can actually, but I can't figure out how to hold it to get the plate off. Yeah, fall over umbrella. Okay, must be on this side. Is it on this side? Okay. It only shows it already taken apart. It doesn't even show how to hold it to get the plate off.
Read the directions.
I just looked at the directions.
But you didn't read. It's probably written in words.
Come on. I mean, this is ridiculous.
First, winch to remove turn plate. Use winch.
There we go.
Winch to remove turn plate. Take out washer and and rose plate.
I did it. That was so brilliant what I did. I used
To
these.
install plate,
I used these
align
screws.
torque blade and turn assembly pleats, insert screws to plate.
That was brilliant.
It's got in words how to do it.
Yeah, but it didn't say how to hold it to actually be able to grip it to get the plate off, though. That was the problem I was having.
Yeah, it says to align everything before you screw it in.
Well, you kind of have to on account of. Alright, I think that might be pretty good. Let's give it a shot. Ah, the screw. Cross your fingers. That's all you can do because this is the tough part. Maybe I got lucky. Well, I spent about a solid 30 seconds just trying to do these deadbolts. Screws. Alright.
Yeah, wait till we repaint the inside of that door. Whew. We'll just move the door to the outside. What, I guess he's lining that up to tighten some sort of screw or something, since you're not telling the people.
What it is there's a little screw in there to actually attach the this.
When you're videotaping, you're supposed to tell.
I don't even know how to explain that. There's a little tiny itty bitty screw at a little screw hole and the pin. You slide it up, you gotta make sure you got the screw on the right side and you slide it in. And I'm gonna try to show you. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's the little tiny screw that you loosen up to take this off. To take this off, you gotta loosen that screw up. To take this off, you gotta somehow pop that off. To put those screws in, you gotta put that back on. Then slide that on, lining that screw hole and this back up. I mean, I don't even know what to call that. I do know one thing. I wish it went the other way. Okay. Let's test the lock.
Beautiful, it works. Check both keys. Because one key's yours, one key's mine. Okay, people, we now have 2 bug-proof key locks on our front door.
Alright. Okay, what's that? What's that for? Okay, it's apparently not for this.
Read direction. I think it's for different ones, but your hole is in the door, David, to match it. Hey, will this fit? It's 3.
Hey. Oh, okay. What's that for?
Yeah. That's for people who want to...
Anywhere hole ain't big enough for that.
That's nice. I like it.
Wait a minute. Master?
That's another one for that. It's a spare backup for that.
That's a different face plate. That's a different plate for this.
Yep, that's what that is. That's a spare place.
Okay. All right then, how about this? Well, at least they gave us options.
It provides you, what came with it is several different face plates for both to save you on some work so you don't have to reshape the hole.
Alright, we'll use this one. Yeah, I'm not going to stay here that long. We'll use this screw. Yeah, I was doing it, I was bumping it in to try to get it into the existing gap. And it just snapped out. Well, the screw should hopefully pull it back in. Alright. Alright, now let's put the screw in.
That's kind of nice. They give you several different face plates of both to save on the work.
Yeah. You have to recut your hole.
Yeah.
I would like to use that reinforced one, but
I like that one best.
I'm not gonna take the time on camera to chip this out and swap it out.
This'll work. We can just put that when we can close the porch.
Alright, let's make sure it can close. I'm not sure how flush those screws are. Alright.
They're not flush.
Well, I know they're not flush.
I think that's going to be a problem, Dave.
I think the carpet's a problem.
Nope.
Go get a bigger screw.
It's not a question of bigger screw, it's a question of
Screwdriver.
getting the screw tight.
Do you want me to do it? I'll go get a bigger screwdriver. Where's that really nice screwdriver of ours?
This even threaded in. Yeah, it's threaded in. What's going on? You know what?
You need a better screwdriver.
Be right back.
And all else fails, go electric.
Yep.
That's not flat.
All right. I'm not going to re-chip this. I'm just going to get the old deadbolt plate and just slap it on there.
Right here.
Because I'm not re-chipping that hole.
There you go.
Whoops, backwards.
Faceplate's on backwards.
Yep.
Oh, faceplate's on right.
No, it's backwards.
No, it's not.
Nope, then it's upside down.
There you go. That's right.
Yep, see? Yep, it was upside down. Yeah, that's what happens when
That's
you...
put it screwing flat. There you go.
What the heck? What's the problem? Alright, it was one screw on this.
Perfect.
That was a problem. Was that screw right there. I had to tighten that screw down. Alright, that's it. So, take your funny deadbolt or doorknob story, you can push it into that like button, and as always we try to do different things as much as possible. So, as always, Channel couldn't use one of the new ones, well I might show that out later. It's just way too hot for me to want to do that right now. Peace out.